Hey everyone, just making a quick video to show you how to use your local files with your Flaneer machine so that you can work on your current projects on Flaneer. So let me first connect to a video editing machine on Flaneer. So you can see that there's actually several kinds of files, several kinds of drives I have access to. I have access to the SSD of my machine, which is my local disk, which is all of the files that are present on the distant machine. But I also have another drive called MyFiles that is not stored locally on my Flaneer computer, but that is stored on a file server that is shared with my organization. And all of the files you find in MyFiles can actually be found in the web app inside of the tab Files. So as you can see, AutoCAD, Flaneer's content, Revit, and I have the exact same. The reason why we can do this is that we're mounting an external drive onto your Flaneer machine at each time you connect. And if I want to put some files in there, like for example, a video project, a Premiere Pro video project, I can just drag and drop the files and wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, you can actually see that inside of my files, if I refresh, I have the exact same project I just uploaded. And all of this can be immediately used on the machine because the files will be downloaded as I use them. So for example, if I want to open the project, for example, changing speed, then even though this is not stored on my machine, it is directly openable inside of a software. And this is super good when you need to actually share some files with your team to work on projects at the same time on several Flaneer machines. And as you can see, it opened without any problem. And I can do real-time playback, even though this was locally on my machine and I just uploaded it.